it's Hannah WTI.
Lou here gets bored really easily and he wants to be played with all the time. So we needed a little break, and this interactive ball by BARHOMO is perfect. So as you can see, you push it once and it will have a rolling feature, but he really loves the super intense bouncy one. So you hit it until it turns orange and then it bounces like crazy. He absolutely loves this ball. Every time I get it out, he is trying to grab it, and then he runs and hides it because he does not want me to take it away. So it has the little ball on the inside, and then it has a cover on the outside that has a nice little tag for him to grab it. He has been loving this. It keeps him entertained, which is really nice for us because sometimes we don't have the time to play with him. It comes with the charger, so after they play with it for a while, you can easily charge it. You don't have to worry about batteries, which is always a nice feature. So if you have a super hyper dog like Lou here and you need a break, or maybe you're just not home all day, this is a great interactive toy to keep their brains occupied.
But that's just our point of view.